Hello, I'm Cassandra Lee and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be testing out how long my locks will hold a curl without water. So in this video, you guys are gonna just see me rolling my hair up with some perm rods, and later in the evening I'm gonna take them out for dinner. So I let my hair sit for the whole entire day. I did this morning around 11 a.m. and I took them out around 6 p.m. As always, I'll play some cute music and we'll get into this look together. While I was filming, I decided to change my shirt to let you guys see the curls a little bit better. And within those 10 minutes of me changing my shirt and rearranging the camera and everything, you can see how much the curls have dropped dramatically. So, and this is a look. The curls definitely fell out within that hour at dinner. So don't do this if you are expecting like your hair to last the whole day. Do not do this. Locks are dense in general, which means they will be more heavy. It's just gonna make, everything pull down a little bit more as if it were not in a protective style. So let me know how you like the video. Let me know what you guys like to moisturize your locks with. In the meantime, like, share, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys next time.